Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about creating rubrics in Blackboard. Rubrics can be used in assignments, blogs, journals, wikis, discussion boards, and test questions such as short answer, essay, and file response. Rubrics allow for a consistent grading experience throughout the Blackboard system, no matter who is grading that student attempt. To create a rubric, you'll need to first enter into a Blackboard site and then select Course Tools from the control panel. Under the Course Tools option, go ahead and select Rubrics. Finally, click on the Create button to begin creating your rubric. The first thing you'll need to do is enter in a name and a description for the rubric. Once that information has been entered, you can scroll down and begin creating your rubric. Blackboard rubrics are a very basic form of rubric where each criteria is given its own row and each level of achievement is given its own column. You can add additional rows or columns by clicking on the corresponding boxes on the rubric creation page. The next option you'll need to select is what type of rubric this will be. You can select that from the rubric type dropdown. The most frequently selected rubric types are percent rubrics and point rubrics. You may also select a range of points or percentages to assign each criteria box, or you can select a rubric that has no points. Once you've made that selection, it's time to start editing the rubric itself. The first thing you'll need to do are rename the criteria or level of achievement labels. To do this, you'll need to select the drop-down arrow next to the item you wish to change, then click Edit. You can type in the new name and then click Save. Once you have the rubric labels renamed, you can go ahead and reorder them if you need to by clicking on the levels of achievement or the criteria button. Simply select the item you wish to move, click the corresponding arrow button, and then click Submit. Next, you can fill in any percentages or points that the rubric requires. Again, this depends on the type of rubric that you've selected up at the rubric type drop-down box above. Once you have entered in any points or percentages, you can go ahead and type in any text in the criteria text boxes that are provided. This criteria can be displayed to students and will be displayed when grading. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit down at the bottom. That will save your rubric. For more information on how to use a rubric when grading, please view our other rubric tutorial videos. More information is provided in the description box below. That concludes this video about creating rubrics in Blackboard. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please contact the help desk at 368-HELP or at help.case.edu. Thanks for watching.